Let's start with columns. In Scissortail, you can customize what columns you see in a report. Within any report, you can add or remove columns as well as move columns left or right. To add or remove columns, click the action menu icon or the three ellipses on the right, located just above the report. Select Add Remove Columns. The Add Remove window will appear. The list of available columns and current columns are located here. Above the list, you will see a search box. You can enter one or more keywords to find a column. To add a column, check the box next to an option in the Available Columns section and click the Add button. It will now be moved to the current columns list. To remove a column, check the box next to an option in the current columns and click the Remove button, and it will return to the Available Columns list. To make the report easier to read, you may need to move the order of the columns. To move the order of the current columns, check the box next to the item line you want to move. Then click up and down arrows to the location you want. Make sure to click on Apply to activate the changes. In the report, you also have the ability to customize a single column by hovering over the header. Click on the down arrow next to the column name. You can set up filters. Jim will be discussing filters later, so stay tuned. You can sort columns in the ascending or descending order. Also, when setting up a report, you may find you need the header of the column to read differently or align to the right or center of the column. By selecting the column settings, you will be able to do this. Once you have customized your report to your liking, you will need to save the settings. To save the report settings, click the action menu icon or the three ellipses. Select either Save View or Save View As. When you select either Save View or Save View As, a pop-up will appear. Note that when you select Save View, the pop-up will display with the current report settings. If you change these, then you will override the current report. It doesn't create a new report. To create a new report, use the Save View As option. Enter the name of the report and check and uncheck boxes for options needed for your report. If you check the My Default box, then each time you select a report, this report will show up. If you uncheck the Run Immediately box, then you have to click a Run button to see the report. We always save our reports with the Run Immediately box checked. The Share option allows others to see your report. You can share it with others and be specific to who you share it with. Or you can share with all who have the security to view the report. The default option will make this the main report that opens when that report is selected. That way, if there is a certain adjusted report you want managers or employees to use it will be their default. Don't forget to click or save and run. The saved reports can now be found in My Saved Reports, located in Reports under the Favorites menu. Here is My Saved Reports, where I can see all the reports I have modified. By clicking on the Other Settings option, I can see reports shared with me by others.